the bissell started spitting out water out the top. I forgot to put the bottom part on. I thought it sounded weird. So it's all about the fitness this month, putting some money back into the business, and we're just going to see how it goes and see if we made a mistake or not with fitness equipment on Facebook Marketplace. This is the Pinnacle shelf from Bunnings. This is a $80 shelf and I got it for 20 bucks because it was a display model. It's like a $20 can of paint and I got it for $5 because it's on the discount rack. And now I painted tops black. Since I'm renovating the shed again, I've got stuff coming. I've got some really cool gear on its way and I've got a really cool workbench that I actually paid 140 bucks for and put caster wheels on it. This is the 1.2 meter workbench double shelf system. This is my new outdoor storage box. It's a $90 box and it's the exact same size as the one I got for free. I just bought one of these. This one's free. The very first step was something to do with the connections on the top and I don't really understand it. And I don't want to use the drill on something I don't understand considering we've already blown like 300 bucks today. Okay, so a couple of days ago I actually spilled an entire can of paint. It's like a couple of days later, maybe 2 or 3 days later, but it's now stuck to the garage floor. So I'm really hoping I don't break the bissell. It's a spot clean and it's about to get an entire litre of paint. But you know, that 3-year guarantee might just pay for itself. I hope that warranty covers stupidity. I don't know how I'm going to explain that when I go to get my refund. It's the third time using it. It's just spitting up. I don't know what happened. Now the paint's going to just stay. I'm lucky I didn't get electrocuted. I'll just forget that ever happened and we'll just move on. We'll just move on. I'm renovating the backyard. Now I have to take apart the York Fitness Power Tower because someone's coming to collect it. I got the York Power Tower for $30. I'm selling it for $95. This thing here I took apart to get in the car. This was free. It's $65 in Kmart at the moment for brand new. And it's in very good nick. So I'm selling it for $40 or $45. Somebody else was giving this away and nobody wanted it. I wanted it like a month ago. Basketball rack that cost just over 30 bucks from Kmart, and then I sort of modified it to make it look like a complete basketball rack. So I actually modified it like where I put the stands, where I put the poles. I think it's because it's got rips in it. Nobody wanted it. I don't want that piece anyway. And then after this, I'm going to Burley Water, and there's a whole bunch of household items. Sports and fitness equipment includes golf clubs, golf bags and golf trolleys. They're still awful. Also the dresser drawers, that's particle board, and I looked online and these things go for like over $100, like $200, like particle board drawers. I don't know for 95, it's a little bit of a joke. Anyway, I got heaps of heat. That one is like my worst purchase yet. I actually paid for this. This thing's just falling apart. I really shouldn't have paid $150. I don't know what I was thinking. Yeah, so this is the first mistake that I made. I basically blew $150. I actually contacted him because I only wanted to buy the barbell because he's selling it for $5. This is actually all I wanted. It's a Health Stream bench press. The guy that gave it to me had no idea what he was giving to me. $800 bag. He said it was his brother's stuff and he's just getting rid of his brother's stuff. For the first 2 weeks, my plan is to like keep picking up gym stuff, and then the last 2 weeks of the month, I'll probably still pick stuff up. I can't help myself.